So we are at Park MGM. Is that where we're at? Yeah, Park MGM. This is like our nemesis, Mega Vaults. It's been playing. We put what, 100 in, and we got up to like 175 and played it down. Finally got the bonus. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it is max bet. Ready?
Max bet, 5 spins.
All right.
Come on now.
All right, touch screen.
Bam. Multipliers.
Oh my god. Give me money signs. Money signs. Money signs. Money signs. Oh yeah, they lock.
Come on. Another gold one. Gold.
Gold. You want them?
That was it.
Oh no.
That's Mega Ball though. Sometimes it's
Hit or
very
miss.
volatile. It's a rough one.
Not bad though.
We'll take 48 bucks.
Good.
It's a rough machine.
To the next bonus. Oh. Okay guys, so this is happening in fast. High limit in Park MGM.
Park MGM jumped in late.
$10 bets.
$10 spins. We're looking at dimes.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. Come on. One power up. One power up. Keeping us alive now. Keeping us alive. One power
Yeah,
up.
balls,
Come on.
balls, balls. Balls, balls, balls. Oh my god.
Anxiety spin. Last one.
One more, one more, one more, one more. Keep it alive.
Up, up.
Oh, one more time.
Yes.
Yes.
Up, 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 up. Down,
One,
down,
one,
down,
one, one,
down,
one,
down.
one. No, still good.
What that is.
I
Let's
don't
see what
even
it
know.
says.
We're gonna wait.
These are dimes. I think it's 100. Yeah, right down there. We saw 138. 138 bucks. Back up to 640.
What is going on? Okay. This is what's happening. Yeah, random. Alright, and we're back.
We're gonna get up to 550.
Oh, we need one more.
2 more spins. Last spin. That's it, guys. 550. 100
Not
bucks
bad.
though. What do we have
I
in here?
know.
100, 200 bucks?
That was 100. We put 100 in.
Yeah, we're up for 500 bucks.
Sweet. 55. Alright, so we are in high limit.
Park MGM.
Yep. Diamond
Shit
Queen.
faced.
Ish.
Ish.
Daddy drank a little bit more than Mama did.
Diamond Queen quarters.
Yep.
Here we go. Only 3. We need a respin.
That's all we need is 3. Give me some extra spins too. Bring out the scroll work.
Come on, do this for me. One time. Let me play all night on free money. You know we're gonna give it back to you.
I know.
Here she
Wave
comes, here she
your wand.
comes. Extra spin.
Yep, we did it.
So we got the crowns and the jacks. We put 100 bucks in this, so we are just over. We're back to where
We're
we were.
even now.
We got 2 spins. Come on now. Top symbols, 5 of a kind.
Do it.
Oh,
Oh. Is that 100 bucks? No, 100 quarters? 1,000 quarters?
250, right?
Is that 1,000 quarters?
It's 1,000 quarters.
Oh god, I don't even
I
know.
think. 250 bucks.
Oh shit. Oh my god, do
Here
it
she
again.
comes. Do that
Do
one
it
more
again.
time. 5 of a kind? Nope. Queens. 1280. That's another 250. 500 bucks.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, 500 plus. Boom. We had 100 in. We're at 672. Nice.
Thank you, Down Queen. We'll be back. We're going to play down a little bit, see what happens. Okay, so we're high limit room, Park MGM, 750 bet, and we got the bonus on this. gave us about 200, what, a little while ago, but we just got the bonus, and we've got how many games?
I think it's an 80 games.
What is it, 80?
Let's find out.
There you go. What is it? Keeps going. 750 bet, 80 games.
Let's just play it out and see what happens. So one thing with these games, you do get a lot of dead spins. But we're just going to let it do its thing and see what happens.
When it's big, it's big. I don't know how they are here on recording. Hopefully I don't get
okay.
bagged.
No, Park MGM should be okay. That's stop will stop.
I know. Come on, baby. So the pandas are wild, right?
Pandas are wild. You can retrigger. That's a 300. Yeah, 350. It's almost a $100 win right there.
No way.
That's quarters.
On aces?
So every 400
Oh,
credits,
shoot.
it's
Yeah, all the way
quarters.
up there in the top right. No way. We're only like how many games
I'm not
in?
going to make you guys watch a count up every single one.
Yeah.
And something big, you know, and then once we get down back to our original 100, we drop our bet account. You know, it's one of those things. If you're a gambler, go for it. You know, if you like to win that $200-300, stick it in your pocket, almost a retrigger. If you like to throw that money in your pocket and run, by all means, you know. But we're here for a week.
We're
We don't want to just
fun.
win a little bit. We want to win a lot.
Yeah.
You know, so that's the way we play. We're up to $350 right now. $350 win so far.
How many games? 35?
We're at 35 games. Yeah, our normal monthly budget or nightly budget is probably about $750. So if we get anywhere near $750 to $1,000, that's going to go in our pocket. We're going to play with the rest of our budget. So no matter what, we break even tonight. So your hand's getting tired. Sorry, babe.
No, that's alright. I switched. I'm good.
26 more games, guys. Let's give us a good one. I want one good hit.
I know.
One good full screen of something. I'll take full screen of aces.
I wonder what a full screen of the red would be. Is that the top
If you're a
symbol?
full screen of those things,
Not those ones. Those
yeah, I
ones.
think that's
Those
top
things.
symbol. But those lanterns, those will pay just as much. Those are,
Really?
It's a nice hit. The turtles are a nice hit. I mean, I think I started playing this game on my phone through like the My Vegas app or whatever. And it's one of those games that's been around forever. But we did all right. We got that big bonus, which is a tough bonus to get sometimes. And you'll get the 8 spins here or there, or the 16 spins. When you get something like what we're getting, you know,
Come on.
it's a nice hit. So we're gonna have 13 spins here.
Oh.
Turtles, no. There you go.
What did those pay?
Yeah.
Sing it, bro.
That was security, so I think recording here is okay.
Yeah. He just singing.
7 more games, guys.
And a chime.
We can't. You can make sure that it doesn't pick up the song because if it picks up the song, so you guys keep talking.
Yeah, we're not here for
We can sing
money.
over it, but you guys don't want that.
No. Oh wow, we're down to 5 free games
We're down
left.
5 last free
Wow,
games.
that happened quick.
But we're doing okay. We're doing okay on this one. There's some queens.
Come on, big one. I want to see like is it fireworks on this one?
Can we break 500? We're at 2 games left.
Come on, baby.
Last game.
Oh, that would have been awesome.
There we go. $464 win. Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah. Thank you very much. High Limit Park MGM. Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Oh, on a high. Cosmo, we just got the grand for like 11,000 and something. Oh, tomorrow's my birthday. This did not just happen. Oh, honey, 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 honey.
11,000.
Oh, honey, 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 honey. Oh my god, oh my god. We couldn't even get the bonus. Oh my god, I can't breathe right now. I need a drink. We'll be... Oh my god.
All right, guys. We cannot believe this just happened. So we're at Cosmo. We came back here because it just wasn't happening at the other places.
And last night was really good here.
Playing Dancing Drums Explosion.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. And yeah, we just hit the 11,000.
Oh, yes, we just did. It just happened.
So yeah.
Oh my god.
Like I said, we were trying to vlog earlier, and I could probably piece this together. But you know, as you can imagine, we got people coming over, and yeah, Sean is excited. I'm excited. We were playing over at Park MGM, which was good.
In the high limit.
In the high limit. Thank you. And yeah, so we came over to Cosmo. We were gonna call it a night. We literally put in $200 into this machine and said, let's just play the 200. We're gonna bank what we have for money for the week. We've had enough. It's our last night.
We've never even gotten the bonus on this with the gold drums.
We still haven't gotten the drum bonus on this. It's you know, hold on. And again, I don't know how to turn the camera.
Just hit the button again. I don't know. Yours is different.
Yeah. Well, anyway, let me flip it around.
There you go.
So yeah. So, Dancing Drums Explosion. $12,000 or $11,745. We got the 3 gold coins when we did the picking.
That's all it was.
So yeah. At first I didn't even know. I didn't even know that was what it was. I like whoever sees 3 gold. You know what I mean? So I hit the buttons and bam.
I'm such
Insane.
on a high right now. Oh
Insane.
my god. I yelled.
So yeah, guys.
My throat hurts.
Awesome trip. Trip was definitely bought and paid for this time.
Oh yeah, and then some.
So yeah, this is great. So I can't wait to share this with you guys. I wish I was recording it when we got it live. I never would have. I never thought. But thanks. We'll talk again soon.